Hello, this is Nikki here. Today I'm going to be playing Thomas Mini Part
Thomas
4.
and Friends Minis.
So today this video we'll
Ready,
be
set,
going to
build
be doing
has
something
so
else.
much to see and do.
In the last
Build your
episode,
dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life.
Busy City, actually. What we can actually do. We can do something else. We can have that, but...
Welcome back to your very special train set. You can start a new creation or continue this one. Ready, set, build!
So actually,
first, we need to lay out all the terrain.
And cobblestone.
Magnificent landscape. You've placed everything you need from this shelf.
All this plain there as well. Oops! Oh no! I didn't need to do that. And okay, let's put some track here. We will need tracking right here. Well, I need this one. Transfer and track one. Delete going here.
You've placed everything you need from this shelf.
Let's see, this one is right here, and this one is right there. The apartment, 4 apartments. Entry. There's one billboard, and we did it nicely.
This is the engine shelf.
We can grab something else. We're gonna need
Neon Toby. Classic Iron Bert. Classic Thomas.
Oh, the 3 of them don't much. Actually, how do I first do this? Oh no, Thomas actually gave them too hard. Gave them too hard, that's why. Let's explain do like this because actually. Okay, I'll be right back just a second. Okay. I'm a little bit.
Just drag a block over the grid with your finger and let it go.
And then put the engine. I'll be right back, guys.
Look, Emily.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Actually,
only 2 gears left
I got 2.
to get your
I got the gear. Nice. Let's push this. Thomas, go, Thomas. Go. Go.
If you'd like to stop to look around, pull the big handle.
Actually, we'll do something else next.
If you complete this train set, you'll get a new surprise.
Okay, we're gonna do the magma.
Ready, set, build! First, we need to lay out all the terrain.
Goes here, and goes here. And fill everything.
Magnificent landscape. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You've placed everything you need from this shelf. You've placed everything you need from this shelf.
You built everything. No. You built. Okay, so she had to do that. Okay, let's get turtles. And there we go, we got it nicely. And I missed one, actually. We got it nicely.
Now so drag any object and we'll show you where it goes.
Nicely done. Okay. And we're gonna be actually Thomas Corner go. Thomas and Percy.
Classic
Percy. James because I never spawned
Classic James.
Go. Percy's flying Percy. Is that flying Percy in the water? Why is that flying Percy? If she hit him, oh no, she's gonna hit Thomas. Oh no, he's gonna hit him. One was almost fallen to the bone, fallen to death. He almost burned to death. Be careful, Tabitha.
Clear the tracks. Engine coming.
Go, Rosie. Go, Jane. I'm going. Go. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, wait. So that's the end of this episode here. So you want to see my next episode, which I lay out what she's gonna be doing next. So check out the links in the description into the next episode. Actually, once it's online, we'll be checking it out. So thank you for watching, guys.
Press and
I'll see you
hold
in the
the
next
bomb
video.
icon down at the bottom of the screen to